Moving to the Massapequas, here are 5 things you need to know. My name is Dan Murphy. I'm with Coldwell Banker American Homes. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 things you need to know if you're planning to move to Massapequa. The first thing you should know, Massapequa is a 4 square mile town located in the southeast corner of Nassau County, New York, and is approximately a 55-minute train ride to and from New York City on the Long Island Railroad and a 20 to 30 mile drive to JFK and LaGuardia International Airports. The second thing you should know about Massapequa is that the community has homes to fit everyone's needs. If you're looking to downsize or if you're looking to upsize, you will find a home that fits your budget. The third thing you should know about Massapequa is that there are 5 communities right along the shoreline of the Great South Bay where residents enjoy fishing, boating, swimming, or a day at Philip B. Healy Beach. There are also 3 private beach clubs for residents of Biltmore Shores, Harbor Green, and Old Harbor Green. If you enjoy the ocean, Jones Beach State Park and Tobay Beach are approximately 15 miles from Massapequa. If you like golf, there's a 9-hole golf course in the shoreline community in Nassau Shores. At the course, you can enjoy a round of golf, a bite to eat at Rita's Cafe, or if you're looking for a lesson, PGA professional Mike Riley would be more than happy to have you as a student. The fourth thing you should know about Massapequa is that there is a 432-acre greenway called the Massapequa Preserve. The preserve stretches from Merrick Road up to the Southern State Parkway, which is approximately 5.5 miles. There you can connect to a trail to Bethpage State Park. In the preserve, people enjoy fishing, biking, family walks, or taking in some of nature's best scenery. The fifth thing you should know about Massapequa is that in the heart of Massapequa, you will find the incorporated village of Massapequa Park. On Park Boulevard, you'll find restaurants, shopping, and plenty of nightlife. If you're looking to go out somewhere for date night with your significant other, or hang out with some friends for an afternoon, Park Boulevard has plenty to offer. If you're looking to move to Massapequa, let's connect. We can talk about your goals and needs and come up with a plan to get you where you want to go. I'm Dan Murphy with Coldwell Banker American Homes. Have a great day.